reason for this video is I'm going to start a series, and as you'll see, I'm going to walk through the process of making my first kitchen knife. I had a customer request a knife. They brought me a sample, and it's actually a kitchen knife, or a fillet knife in a way. It is a kitchen knife, but they're using it on their fishing boat for salmon and such like that out on the Pacific. So I thought I'd start a little series on just the process of going through it. I've never done this before, so I thought this would be a good time to slowly walk through the process and drying it out, grinding it all down, and making it, the heat treat and everything, and just kind of documenting it. This will be the first video I've tried this way, so hopefully you're watching this on YouTube because it was successful. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Bye. Alright guys, well, hopefully this is going to be coming out okay. I'm actually using a camera, and actually I'm using a Nikon, and I gangstered it from my wife. So instead of using the iPhone, I'm using this Nikon now, and just trying to up the game a little bit, try to give a better quality video, and also maybe at some point be able to do something where I can do two cameras at one time. So, but here's the CM, or the 154 CM, and it's 2 inches. It's 2 inches by 3/16 by 18 inches, and I'm going to get about a 13-inch knife out of this. So I'm just going to start stenciling and drawing out the knife a little bit. I actually have a little bit of a sketch. At least I had a little bit of a sketch laying around here someplace of what we were kind of looking at, what we might want it to look like. So that's what we're coming out like. So this is what I'm shooting for. Right here. So the customer says I have this, and it's old, crusty, and I'd like to have something different. I've made him a knife already once before, and he liked it, and I actually just about finished with his skinning knife. So he brought me this and said, hey, can you make this? So I said, alright, cool. So this is what we're shooting for right here. So let's get at it. Okay, here's where I'm at so far. I got 13 inches overall length, got a 5-inch scales will be 5 inches. All the holes, I have 3 pins that I'm going to do, but I just went and staggered some other holes in there. They're all about, what was it, 5-30 seconds or something like that. But the other holes are so the epoxy can go through there and bond really well. But so far so good. I like that. We'll Dykem the edge and scribe everything to find center. Then taper the tangs. And then after that, it's we'll start the profile of the edge. But so far, so good.